Hello friends, get ready for progressive dictation. Okay, start. Primary health centers are being opened on a larger scale. The idea is to cover every village practically. But these health centers should not wait for people to get ill and then treat them. As a matter of fact, it must be the duty of the health centers to see that in their centers people do not get ill. I would judge a health center from this performance and not from the performance of how many cases they have treated and how many cases they have cured or they have benefited. I do not know whether you know that the Dalai Lama in Tibet, when it was free, had always a doctor. But the doctor was taken to task if the Dalai Lama got ill. He said, I should not be ill. That is how you should look after me, and that is how you should instruct me and tell me, because after getting ill, if you only try to cure it, it may be cured, but it is not prevented for all times to come. What is required is preventive methods, and preventive methods will include or will consist mostly of right education. I have believed for the last 60 years in the natural methods of treatment. Man has been endowed. As a matter of fact, not only man but animals also. In fact, the whole creation has been endowed with capacity to keep healthy and to keep well, but they can do so provided they observe the laws of nature. The more we flout laws of nature, the more we suffer. It may not be possible to observe all the laws of nature in modern world because the modern world has become an artificial world and we cannot escape from the world as it is. It would be futile to try to live in a solitary manner in a cave for the ordinary man. We have got therefore to take the modern world as it is, but in the modern world also it is possible to live without medicines, and world also to live in a healthy manner if proper care is taken by a person of his food, sleep, rest, method of work, and generally looking after the natural needs of the body. This education is not very difficult. I got this education from an encyclopedia which had 5 volumes when I was a student in college. It is not necessary for everybody to go through 5 volumes. It can be done only in 20-30 pages, and people can be taught these changes and can be educated in it. Stop. If you like this dictation, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.